Today we're going to take a quick look at these screen protectors brought to you by Smart Devil. The company did send them over and compensate me to make this video. And these are for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which I have one here, and I will install this for you. Now you get two of these screen protectors, and then they both come already preloaded up and cut out holes, so you can just pop these in to the little installation box here, and then just make sure that the pull tab is this way, so it should look like that. So you'll notice a difference here with on the top is a little bit thicker on this installation tool. So that comes in the box. There's two of those screen protectors, and there's two of these kits. So you get a dry cloth, a wet cloth, and then a dusting sticker. So basically it says step one, just open up the wet cloth, and you want to make sure that your phone is real nice and clean. So I'm just going to clean this off, and then I will do the dry cloth. And if you want to, you can do the dust sticker. I'm not going to do it in this video, but you can just clean this off really good and very simple, just like that. So you can see, and I always just turn my phone off just in case. But once you're ready to go and you're all cleaned up, you just want to pop the phone right into the case, just like that. And then you want to flip it over, and it gives you full instructions. So here is the user manual. It gives you full instructions on how to do this. They get a tutorial video as well. So step one here is to just pull the tab. So you just want to hold this and just pull real nice and even, just all the way down, just like that, and pull this all the way out. And then you want to wait 5 seconds or so, and you want to just, the next step here is to just run your finger this way, and you can kind of see it dispersing. If you look close enough, you can see it dispersing there, and you just want to give this a little bit of time to self-adhese to the phone, because the screen protector does have adhesive on one side. So once that's done, we'll just wait a couple more seconds here, and then you want to just remove the piece of plastic from those little grips, just like that. And then you want to just pick this up and remove that. So very simple to do. And then once it's on here, you can just pull the plastic away, and there you go. You have it on there. Now, if you see some of these bubbles, no problem. You can just take your dry cloth and rub them out just like that. So I've installed another one here. The other one I've installed as well. And you can just rub that out. Now, if you can't get some of it out, you can just lift the corner up and kind of let some of that air bubble out and just move it around. But overall, very easy to use. These are shatterproof HD tempered glass, super easy to install. So you can see there, it looks really good on the phone. So if you're looking for a nice tempered glass solution, you might want to look at these. Hope this helps.